Hey everybody, I want to show you guys this house. I'm actually going to be doing an open house November the 20th, which is a Sunday, 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock. And this house is actually this house on 319 Partridge Court. If you're familiar with Clarksville, that's over on Memorial Drive. This house, I'm going to show you these pictures this just real quick. It's 5 bedrooms, 3.5. It's over 4,700 square feet and it's listed at 625. So I mean, you are getting so much room in this house. I mean, it's going for a square foot, $131 a square foot. But check out these pictures real quick. And this is actually in a gated community, so there is a HOA. And so if that's your thing and you're looking to be in a gated community, but you're looking to have a lot of room and this fits your budget, check out this house. It's a fireplace and the living room is huge. Look at that. It's gorgeous. I believe they did do some updates. They painted the cabinets. They kind of give it a little bit more updated look. Laminate floors. You got your double oven. Huge pantry. Look at that pantry. So that's just a little sneak peek right there of this house. I mean, it's got a lot of great features on it. I mean, a huge dining room, huge fifth bedroom, which could be actually a bonus room. It's a lot of room in this house, and the cool thing about it, the main bedroom is on the first floor. But check out this flyer. I want you guys to see. So this is the open house. It's gonna be again Sunday. The man, I messed up that flyer. It's supposed to be the 20th. Stop this madness. Hey guys, this is Fonte Chapman, your local real estate agent. I wanted you guys to check out this house. This is actually an open house that's coming up. It's actually on November 20th. This house, I want to show you some of the pictures because the flyer just doesn't do it justice for how awesome this house is. So if your budget is in this price range, it's listed for $625. The 5 bedroom, 3.5. It has over 4,700 square feet. Check out some of these pictures here. So that's the front. Now, it is in a gated community. And I mean, just looking on the outside, you never would think this house is this big. But this, I mean, the living room is huge. It has a fireplace. And then, of course, that's the living room. And then that's kind of gives you an idea what it would look like staged. I want to get to the kitchen. Kitchen, oh, look at that, double ovens, so much cabinet space with this like a little place for an office to do your bills. A huge pantry, but that's just a little sneak peek. You guys got to come out and visit me, see me, let's talk, let's chat, check out this house, spread the word. You may know somebody that may be interested in a house. Here's my flyer right here. Open house Sunday, November 20th. It's going to be 1 to 4, 319 Partridge Court. This is over by, if you're familiar with Clarksville, over by Memorial Drive. So I will see you guys tomorrow, right? You guys have a blessed day.